Hi, Uwe Jacobs from Property Friends here. I wanted to personally invite you to our upcoming webinar about first-time property investing on the 11th of April from 7 p.m. You see, many people want to get into property investment but don't know how to do it. Yet it is in all likelihood the biggest investment that we will ever make. It is true that knowledge is power. But when it comes to wanting to invest in property for the first time, it can be challenging to assemble all the necessary knowledge to make an informed decision. That's why seeking guidance from experts can be incredibly helpful for those who are aspiring to financial independence through property investment. This is why we're putting on this free webinar, so that you can take advantage of the great insights into the system to successful property investment. In this webinar, I will be joined by Leanne Watson from Your Finance Angels, a mortgage broker who will share her expertise and present solutions for people aspiring to financial independence, choices in retirement, or leaving a legacy. Topics that we will discuss are things like strategies to get started in property investment, the relationship between rental yield and capital gains, the latest hotspots and locations in Australia that are worthwhile investing into. And Leanne will show us the 5 best ways to secure your finance and some of the secrets that the financing industry doesn't want you to know about. You see, over the last 18 years, we've helped over 370 families dramatically to improve their financial position. We have proven over and over again that anybody who applies the 7-step success system correctly and with consistency can take a giant leap forward towards financial independence and living a lifestyle of choice. There are limited seats for this presentation, so don't delay. The event is open to just 20 people to ensure that everyone can take advantage of the interactive Q&A session. We're looking forward to meeting you in this webinar to share invaluable tips and tricks with you. Reserve your seat now so you don't miss out. Click on the link. Looking forward to seeing you.